Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the Roborock Q5 robot vacuum cleaner. This incredible device is the upgraded version of the S4 Max, and it's packed with features that will revolutionize the way you clean your home. With powerful 2700 Pascal suction, the Roborock Q5 easily picks up pet hair, dust, and finer dirt from floors or carpets. It even automatically increases its suction when it detects a carpet for deep cleaning. And with its convenient app control, you can adjust the suction power, set cleaning schedules, create no-go zones, and much more, all from anywhere with internet access. The precision mapping with PreciSense LiDAR navigation creates accurate maps, and the Q5 can save up to 4 maps. Plus, its 180-minute runtime and large dustbin mean you can tackle a large home without pause. The multi-directional floating rubber brush stays close to the ground, ensuring effective cleanup even on uneven surfaces. And with user-friendly voice control support for Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts, you can command your Roborock Q5 with just the power of your voice. So if you're ready to experience deeper cleaning and ultimate convenience, be sure to check out the Roborock Q5 robot vacuum cleaner. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Don't miss out on this game-changing cleaning solution for your home.